Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a unique solution for those who need extra screen space on the go. It's the Portable Monitor Flex 14-inch, designed to expand your laptop's workspace with ease. Let's get into the details. The Portable Monitor Flex 14-inch offers a sleek and functional design, perfect for professionals on the move. It features a dual monitor setup that folds neatly around your laptop, providing additional screen real estate wherever you need it. What sets this apart is its flexibility. Whether you're in a coffee shop, office, or meeting room, you can quickly transform your laptop into a triple-screen workstation. The setup process is straightforward, though you'll need to install drivers initially for optimal performance. Built with a sturdy metal frame, the Flex 14-inch feels solid and durable. It's designed to complement MacBook Pro aesthetics, making it a suitable companion for various laptops equipped with USB Type-C ports. In terms of performance, it handles everyday tasks well with its 1080p resolution and decent color reproduction. However, it's important to note that for color-sensitive work, it's best used as a secondary screen due to its sRGB color space limitation. Whether you're multitasking with documents, spreadsheets, or creative applications, the Flex 14-inch enhances productivity by offering flexible viewing angles and a user-friendly OSD menu for adjustments. One standout feature is its ability to fold into a triangle setup. Ideal for collaborative settings where everyone around the table needs to see the screen content without crowding. Overall, the Portable Monitor Flex 14-inch is a great tool for expanding your workspace dynamically. While it's not without its minor quirks like the initial driver installation, its versatility and build quality make it a valuable addition for professionals on the move. That wraps up our review of the Portable Monitor Flex 14-inch. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product critiques. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.